I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I said I love you. I love you. Okay? I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay, baby. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. I love you, baby. I really do. I love you. I love you. Daddy's home. No, trust me. I love you, baby. I love you. I got you flowers. All right. Look. The girl said, "Look in my eyes. Tell me you're sincere." They want to see it in your eyes. Okay, look me in the eyes. Tell me you love me. I said I love you. I love you, dear. I love you, baby. You see, this topic is about I love you because I think I love you is so overused. It's a shame. I mean, it's a shame on the word. You know what I mean? Such a cliche now these days. You know what I mean? Because people think you should say I love you if you really love them. I love you. That's like a magic word, right? I love you. So that's what let's talk about I love you because this is something that sometimes people take for granted and it's been so much overused. Sometimes it just make me wanna pull my ear out. So this is what girls love to hear, many of them. And I think we gotta understand that love comes in many different ways. That's why there's one love, because there really only is one love. There's not different types of love. Okay, that's why there's one love. So now, when somebody say you don't love them, what do they really mean by that? Because, sorry, you don't love them. What do they really mean by that? Sometimes it can get confusing because you see people don't really know what love is. They think buying them a love card, some flowers, saying baby I love you or I love you, that's love. There's many people in a relationship that stay together not because of love, maybe because of religion purpose, maybe because of their culture, but really they don't love each other. They don't have any love for each other, right? And I think love is when you're able to appreciate who you are, appreciate life, and develop the care for humanity, the care for yourself, especially because you gotta love yourself before you can love anybody. So developing that self-love first and foremost is key. And then once you have that self-love, love will just come natural. Just by the way you behave, just by how you treat each other, just how you treat people, you can just tell if somebody have love inside of them, somebody love you. You can just observe how they treat you, what they do, how they do it. You know, it's not always I love you. That's just a word. We need action behind the love, the word love. Although it's not an action word, it should be. We need action because action is what speaks louder than the word. The word I love you really doesn't mean anything if you can't show you love somebody. You have to be able to show that you really love somebody. So yeah, there's many people that never said anything to each other, barely even talk to each other, but you just know they love each other. just because of what they do, they care about, they're always there for each other. So it's not always about, yes, you could say you love somebody. There's not really anything wrong with saying I love you, but it's like some people just need to hear I love you every day for them to feel like, okay, my partner really do love me. He tells me or she tells me that I love you every day, daily. So it feeds them. It's like a medicine. They just feel like you have to say I love you to really be loved. No. Love is in everything. Love is in every action. Love is in every gesture. Damn, love is even in the air I breathe. That's love. Yeah, the Creator loves us. See, I breathe love, baby. I breathe love. And that's what love is. You feel that tender attraction, that vibration. You feel that love vibration. That's what love is. The connection. So, boy, again, classic with another one. I might have some more about that. About love. Your boy Victor with mine. Because I'm telling you, love is in the mind. I'm telling you, love is in the heart, mind. Heart, mind, love. This is where love is, you know? Yeah. And I don't necessarily have to stare in somebody's eye and say, I love you for you to know that I love you, because I would show you that I love you. So that's what's happened. Let people show you that they love you. All right? It's your boy again, Victor Romine, aka Classic, with another one. I love you. That's why I'm doing this video. All right, baby?